My name is Michelle Buell, and I'm the academic director here at Language Systems. I have been at Language Systems since 1998. At some point, I've worked at each of the schools in Los Angeles through the years. Enjoy working here and helping students. Basically, I oversee the academic programs. So that's all the academic parts of the school. So the different programs, we have TOEFL and test preparation programs, we have business programs, conversation, ESL. So I oversee those programs, the development of those programs, and sometimes when students request something new, like our Vacation English program, which we started a couple of years ago, I oversaw that as well. And then I work with the program coordinators and the other academic personnel in developing those programs. Yeah. Well, we take feedback from our students very seriously. We accept feedback in many different ways. We have a formal way, which is at the end of each term, where we ask about the programs, the teachers, and the materials. And we also ask about activities in the front office. And then also throughout the term, we have an open door policy where we ask the students if they have any concerns or any questions at all, they can always come in and talk to the program coordinator. And even if it's something small, everything the student tells us, we research and we try to find an answer. You know, we try to do something that will make their experience better. It depends on where they start and where they're at in their English skills in Korea. So if they're at a beginning level, they're going to have to stay here a little bit longer. For example, 7 levels in ESL. And each level is 3 months. They study and they attend every day and they work hard and they progress at the normal course. You know, they can kind of add up how much time they would have to be here. We also have a program where you can go to a college or university after finishing certain levels. Some are level 5, some are level 6, some are level 7. So if they know ahead of time, oh, I'd like to go to Pasadena City College, then they know they have to finish level 6, they can go there without taking the TOEFL. So it depends on where they're starting. If they start at an intermediate level, it's different, it's going to be shorter. So like for me, everything is kind of visual. And I see it on the board. Let's say the teacher uses the whiteboard a lot and writes vocabulary down, or if I see it on a video or in a picture and I associate it with vocabulary, then I learn it, I remember it. Other students learn more by listening. So successful students identify which way they learn the best, and then they just do it. Try to take advantage of things in class where they can learn faster and retain information longer. Because we encourage our teachers to try to teach to different learning styles. And we really focus on student production, because in a lot of the countries where our students come from, they learn how, even in junior high or high school, they learn how to read and write and do the grammar, but they never speak. So you have some students who've taken English for like 5 or 6 years, but they have a difficult time even saying a basic conversation. So, to accommodate those students when they come here, we really, in every component, in reading and grammar and listening, speaking, we focus on student production. Our teachers are kind of trained to have it be very student-centered, and ideally we like 80% student production and 20% teacher. Teacher's kind of the coach, right? So that's really what we focus on in our ESL programs and business and conversation. Of course, test preparation is a little bit different, and that's really focusing on strategies the students need to get a good grade on the test. But by the time they get to test preparation, they're already pretty fluent.